All right, Jedi lessons number 1. My question for this one is: a student sees a newspaper ad for an apartment that has 2,330 square feet of floor space. How many square meters of area are there? What I'm first picking up from this question is we are converting our units from feet squared to meters squared. And the equation that I'm going to use is unit conversion, which is fairly simple. So we have 2,330 square feet, and we want to turn that into how many meters squared we have. 1 meter is 3.28 feet. So to do that, we are going to write our equation like this. So if we have feet squared, we're going to need to do this twice, because if we just did 1 foot into 1 meter, then it's not going to count for the second foot and we'd still have the wrong equation. So we're going to put feet on the bottom, and since we have 2 right here, I'm going to do a second one just to make it simpler and easier to read. So since we have 2 feet here and we're trying to convert to meters, we need to put meters up here. So we're going to put meters at the top. And then that number that I gave earlier, which 1 meter is 3.28 feet. That's the number I'm going to use, 3.28 and 3.28. And then unit conversion, you just, if there's nothing on top, you can put a 1. So in my calculator, we are going to convert 2,330 divided by, because we're going to divide by 3.28, divide by 3.28, hit enter, we're going to have a number, and then we're going to divide by 3.28 again so that we can get our second feet put in there. We're going to cross out our units so that we can end up with meters at the end, because we are dividing, and dividing will cancel them out. And with my calculations, it's 216.574955, blah, 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 blah. I have 3 sig figs in here, so I'm just going to do 217 to round up, because I'm going to have 216.5749554, and then I'm just going to round that, and that's in meters squared. I'm just going to round that to 217 meters squared, and that's my answer right here.